What's up, guys? Chef Anthony here at the Robinson Experience Center from Don's Appliances. We're going over the top 3 30-inch gas ranges that are our movers and shakers in 2021 in no specific order. I'm going to get right down to the brass tacks. Let's go with the first one here. We got a great 5-burner range, right? Nice little GE model. Guys, you see it right off the bat, the center griddle, which, tons of cooking on here. Breakfast, lunch, make some grilled cheeses, make all the melts. I'm gonna pick this up just so you see the burner underneath. It's that oval burner, so it really covers all that surface area, right? Let me put that guy back down. Another couple features, once we look at the grates, man, continuous glide. So now, we have the power burner here. We can move our sauce to the back to the small-eyed burner, which will really help us out and, continue the sauce without overcooking it. You got 2 medium burners on this side too. Still adequate heat, and for all your cooking, but this is your primary guy, your high burner. Let's go to the back top right here. So we have our bake, our broil, we have a keep warm setting. Guys, here's the hugest one, the air fry. It's so popular. Now the air fry is in your oven, so now we can actually take it off the countertop, air fry chicken wings, we can air fry everything under the sun. You also have the convection roast and the bake feature here, which is huge. Steam clean, which I'll talk about when I pop the hood, is a great game changer for the self-clean. Steam clean is great for everyday uses, once a month, so you don't really have to get into that big self-clean. Talked a lot about the top. Let's jump down to the bottom. Great knobs here, nice handle, venting on the door. Let's open it up. You got 2 great racks here, plenty of storage at 5 cubic. Convection fan right in the back, guys. That's really where we're gonna combine that air fry technology. So the fan's gonna come, we're gonna use that great broiler, and we're gonna get all that good air fry fun. Big light in the back, but here's the game changer. It says 1 cup steam clean. So this actually tray right here, so we'll put a cup of water down there and we'll run a little steam clean cycle just to get it all cleaned, so you don't really have to worry about that big self clean that takes a few hours. So if you just want to steam clean, nice and easy. Guys, this great 30-inch range is a top seller. It's a nice piece. Got to have in your kitchen. Okay? Thank you. All right, guys, next on our list on gas ranges for the 30-inch, we have the Beko. Guys, this one is an outstanding piece that we love. Let me pop it right here. So let's look, guys. So here is the configuration. Again, you're going to see the nice 4 burners. You're going to see an oval in this one too. This is a model number SLGR30530SS. Guys, look at the brass cap here. This is your power burner. This is where you're going to do all the work. You want to boil pasta in no time. It gives you a wok ring too, gang, so we can stir fry as well. Brass cap, so it's powerful, okay? The next one, guys, you can add the option here. We can put the grate in here, so it has grates and a flat surface, so we can get those steak marks here, or we could just do regular stir fry. This will lift up, that'll slide in. Great lip on here as well that Matt pointed out that makes it amazing. Let's talk about the control features. There's a ton going on in this range, okay? We have the regular standard bake, broil, and roast, but it gives you all the convection roast, convection broil, convection bake. Booster on this guy too, cuts down on the preheat time, lets you save your favorites, gives you some more functions to play around with the clock and a few things like that. Huge is the warming drawer, the self-clean. Look at this. Open it up. Great glide rack here. Tons of space, 5 racks, huge convection fan in this guy, great broiler, hidden bake element. I mean, this thing is coming on all cylinders. Let me show you the best part right here. Everybody's like, what's under here? What does this do? Just give it a tap. Look at this. This is big enough now to store a whole rack. Everybody says, what do I do with that extra rack? They put it in their house somewhere. Not Beko, man. They give you the right there. So now if we're doing cookies, I can go from, 2 trays now to 3 trays of cookies with ease, okay? Great stainless steel look. Big pro handles on this guy. Huge simmer burners up here too, so we can keep everything hot but nice and low as well. Just a great piece coming out of Beko that we love on our gas ranges. It's definitely a must-have. All right, crew, our last 30-inch all gas. We're talking about the LG, guys. This one is great. This is model number LRGL5825F. amazing grate here, right? Let me put this up. Let's get inside. See that oval burner, great even heat, heavy grates, heavy griddle pan, full power on these burners. Great back right here. You got the convection bake and convection roast features. Hit this is the auto conversion. That's a great one. Air fry, which is huge now, gang. So you can air fry everything under the sun. Chicken wings, you know, do all your game day stuff. And you got the keep warm setting, has easy clean. Remote start. This is a Wi-Fi, but this one, the cool part is the InstaView. So you could actually knock on this door just like you can do the refrigerator, and then you could actually see inside without hitting a button or anything of that sort. Even on the Wi-Fi connected part of this, you could actually turn it on from your phone to see, which I feel is huge. Inside, beautiful blue interior here, great rack system, huge convection fan, and this is your air fry basket, gang. This is what makes it and makes everything great. So now, huge area to air fry in. You can air fry anything under the sun and have a blast on this range. This is a great, amazing piece. This is for the customer who has a limited space, you know, your standard 30-inch, but wants the bells and whistles, wants what's new, wants the tech, wants the air fry, wants to have all the fun, wants to entertain and, you know, make great, amazing meals. So this is the LG 30-inch all gas, amazing piece.